So, I just got home. I just got out of the car. I ran inside to get some bread, and the duck started swimming over this way. So, okay, let's see what happens now. I've got to hold this thing and hold bread. Let me start chucking some stuff, because here they come! Here they come! Hey, ducky friends. Maybe they're hesitant. I've got a huge iPad here. They're all staying at the shore. That's not usual. Here they come. Oops. Here they come. Come here, duckies. Ooh, duck fights. Shoop. Here they come up the hill. This is a hill here. It's all our shrubs. Here we go, fellas. Doop, doop, doop. Here comes a little lady. Look at these silly guys standing in my bushes. Okay. So, I'm standing right here. And they're right there. Let me back up a little bit. Whoop. I might have freaked him out because I moved. Here you go, guys. There we go. Oops, maybe that was a little too close. Here you go. Doot, 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 doot. Duckies. They're real close, huh? I gotta bend down and get my other piece of bread. Oh, this is my driveway. And there's the ducks. Here they come. These are the greediest ones. There we go. One of them was catching it in the air yesterday. This one's struggling to get up the hill. Alright, here you go, buddy. And those guys are just waiting down there because they're shy. Alright, that's all for now, duckies. Quack, quack.